Hello and welcome to this week's Blazent Top 5. This week we are going to be discussing the top 5 benefits of doing IoT right. IoT is fast becoming a mainstream buzzword because the cost of the technology, which essentially enables automated data collection, is falling rapidly. Manual alternatives are not only error-prone, but unfeasible given the rate of data entering most systems these days. Hewlett-Packard Enterprise recently published a survey of approximately 80 IT professionals to understand how IoT was working for them. This discussion reviews the stated benefits that the survey uncovered. Benefit number 1, lowering capex. The traditional approach of relying on periodic, scheduled manual checking of factors such as vibration, temperature, and locations of capital equipment is expensive and time-consuming. For example, without the benefit of a wireless network, the cost of cabling a commercial or industrial site is often prohibitive. Wireless IoT devices provide continuous monitoring to increase capacity and reduce commissioning costs. Benefit number 2, being proactive on maintenance and downtime costs. Sensors can provide asset management software with data about equipment operating conditions and their environment. This continuous stream of tracking data error rates enables proactive servicing, minimizes call-out costs, and contributes to an overall reduction in downtime. Number 3, using IoT to deliver better customer experiences. IoT sensors can alert a corporate IT department about the need to, for example, replenish printer supplies in the accounting department before they run out, which would result in someone opening a high-priority IT ticket. Another example would be RFID-based asset labels on wireless routers, which can tell service technicians what roof tile to remove to gain access to a specific device. Proximity sensors can be used to detect authorized users approaching a workstation, enabling it to be fully awake in anticipation of being used. Similarly, for security reasons, a workstation can automatically lock itself when a user takes a break. These are essentially little things that make your life slightly less of a hassle. Benefit number 4, optimizing asset management. There are many ways IoT can improve asset management. We've talked about the ability to order supplies for printers proactively. An additional benefit of ordering supplies as needed is that, for example, unused ink cartridges don't expire. The accumulated consumption data allows procurement to negotiate supplier contracts that match real usage patterns. Global visibility enables asset managers to apply more aggressive volume discounts. Now, keep in mind this is an HP-centric view of the world, but the premise of tracking assets more easily applies to literally anything with an IP address. Benefit number 5, increasing data quality. Having machines provide attribute data about assets is far more accurate than manually entered data, which is inherently error-prone. Higher levels of data quality provide a sound foundation for informed decision-making. Decisions based on bad data usually result in bad outcomes. As IoT devices make our environment smarter, we can expect the life of corporations and individuals working in them to improve. In fact, this is already happening. Monitoring is simply the front end of a process that prevents failures and improves equipment life to deliver higher levels of service. IoT promises to make IT less reactive and more centered around user needs. The challenge with IoT is the need to assimilate new data sources fast enough to benefit from them. New architectures are surfacing which are able to handle growing volumes and types of data, and this trend is accelerating. Blazent's data quality management platform can ingest hundreds of data streams with the ability to provide insights in near real time. You can learn more about how Blazent has accelerated and enabled our customers to stay ahead of the IoT deluge by visiting us at the web at www.blazent.com. Thank you for listening.